हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम लोग देखते हैं सर्कल प्रॉब्लम सेट 3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. ओके, so first see, here it is given that O is the center of circle, OB and OC are the radii of circle, AB and AC are the tangent drawn from a point outside of a circle. Length of AB is given R, then we have to prove quadrilateral OBAC is a square. Okay, so let's see how to prove it first. OB and OC, these are the radii of same circle, so both are equal. OB and OC are equal. AB and AC, these are the congruent tangent segment. Okay, now quadrilateral OBAC, in quadrilateral OBAC, if OB equal to OC and AB equal to AC, it is given that length of AB equal to R. So I can say quadrilateral ABOC is a rhombus. Why? Because all sides are equal. R. Okay, so all sides are equal. Therefore, quadrilateral is a rhombus. Now we have to prove it is a square. So in rhombus, if I prove each angle is 90 degrees, then we can say that it is a square. So next step is we have to prove that angles are 90 degrees. So first we will see OB is a radius, AB is a tangent. So by radius tangent property, this angle is 90 degree. Again, OC is a radius and AC is the tangent. Therefore, angle OCA is also 90 degree. So in quadrilateral OBAC, these two angles are 90. What about these two angles? So here this angle must be 90 degree. Angle BAC and angle BOC, that also must be 90 degree. That also we have to prove. So to prove this, we will use the property of adjacent angles of rhombus are supplementary, that we will use for angle OBA and angle BAC. So in this case, these two angles, total of these two angles should be 180 degree. तो एक ऑलरेडी 90 है तो दूसरा भी 90 हो जाएगा. Similarly, we can prove this also. So here in this quadrilateral, all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. Therefore, it is a square. So let's see how to write. First of all, in quadrilateral OBAC, I can say sec OB is equal to sec OC, reason radii of same circle. Okay, again since sec AB is equal to sec AC, AB equal to AC, reason congruent tangent segment. Okay, now since length of AB is equal to R, this is given. So from 1 to 3, AB equal to R, and these are also R. So I can say OB equal to OC is equal to AB is equal to AC equal to R. Reason from 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So here all sides are equal. In a quadrilateral OBAC, all sides are equal. Therefore, it must be. Therefore, quadrilateral OBAC is a rhombus. Okay. So now we have proved it is rhombus. Now we have to prove that it is a square. Okay. How to prove this is square? First, we will take radius tangent property. Since say OB is radius and say AB is tangent. Therefore, angle OBA is equal to 90 degree. Okay, reason we can write radius tangent property. Okay, next sec OC perpendicular to, since sec OC is radius and sec AC is tangent. So again we can say therefore angle OCA is 90 degree. Same reason, radius tangent property. Okay. So in quadrilateral OBAC, here this angle is 90, this angle is 90. So what can you say about angle OBA and angle BAC? Since angle OBA plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree, reason adjacent angle of rhombus Okay, so OBA is 90 plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle BAC is 180 minus 90, that is equal to 90. Angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, we can find angle ACO is also BOC is also 90 degree. Therefore, in quadrilateral OBAC, all sides are equal and each angle is right angle. Okay, so all sides are equal and each angle is right angle. Therefore, this quadrilateral is OBAC is square. Okay, so this is done.